PowerDB software is a very powerful asset management and database program. The application helps you manage test results for all of your electrical assets and equipment. All data resides in a single relational database, which allows for comprehensive queries and reports to be generated based on your specific needs. Results can be captured directly from test instruments, imported from files, or entered manually. PowerDB can be used to help meet compliance requirements for NERC or any other regulatory entity. Historical results can be displayed with current values for both validation and trending purposes to assess equipment condition. You can create reports on demand showing overdue maintenance or for scheduling future resource requirements. Top-down management of test forms and procedures ensures consistency whether data is collected by internal staff or outside contractors. An optional integration to a CMMS system such as SAP, Maximo, or Cascade can be developed to match your specific requirements. A key feature of the software is the extensive test forms library. Test forms serve as the user interface for entering, viewing, and reporting test results. The list of test forms spans all types of electrical equipment and includes well over 300 forms with variations based on user needs. You can also create or customize your own forms using the built-in Forms Editor feature. Many of the forms are manual entry only and are used for recording inspection data, operation counters, and routine maintenance tasks. Each test form will typically contain information about the location of the asset, nameplate data, test results, and entry fields for adding comments and documenting problems. Test forms can also contain multiple help files. These can be populated with your own test procedures or safety requirements to help maintain consistency, or just to provide a handy reference for someone entering data in the field. Entry fields designated as required will highlight red if left empty. Other fields can have scripted tolerances, which will indicate values that fall outside a defined expected range. PowerDB's test forms go well beyond simple data entry, including calculations, lookups for temperature correction, test results plotted on charts, images, enhanced text, and they can also dynamically hide sections that are not being used. Assets are generally organized by their location, but can be also organized by any other factors such as equipment type or voltage rating. Historical results are always available for review when retesting an asset, and results can be located quickly and easily. The test forms are even used for automated testing with many different types of test equipment. Depending on the test set, this might be as simple as importing a file or as complex as controlling the test set from within PowerDB and capturing the results directly into the proper fields on the test form. Using the megabyte battery test set as an example, with just a few clicks, all the battery impedance values can be downloaded and stored in the database. Once the impedance values are selected and brought into the test form, you may also import specific gravity readings directly from a hydrometer. In addition, numerous charts can be added to the report for additional visual evaluation. This screen shows an example of a trend chart for 2 data points, tested over a span of 20 years. Calculated statistical values display at the bottom of the screen, and the shaded section of the chart shows an expected range for the population of values. The plot provides an instant visual trend of the data over time. The optional compliance module can be used to quickly determine the compliance status of particular assets that must be tested according to a schedule, for example, batteries or relays. The calendar section of the screen shows green for assets in compliance, yellow for those hitting a warning period, and red for those non-compliant. The date on the calendar can be moved into the future to easily show you which assets will need attention. The compliance option is ideal for either keeping up with NERC/FERC requirements or to display the current status during an audit. Please contact our office or your Megger sales representative for additional information or to schedule a live demonstration. Thank you.